Hi everyone, I'm Dave and this is the iPhone 13 in pink unboxing and initial setup. So my wife has been looking to replace her iPhone 7 Plus this year, and when she saw the pink colour of the iPhone 13, she knew she was going to make the upgrade. So let's jump in and unbox it and see what it looks like in natural light. This year, Apple has done away with the cellophane wrap and now I've just got little pull tabs at the top and bottom, which makes it quite easy to open. And there it is. It's quite a muted pink. Inside the box is all the usual stuff like paperwork, SIM ejector tool and stickers. We also have the USB-C to Lightning charger cable, but no actual charger. You'll still have to buy one or use one you might already have. I bought the fast charger last year, so we can just use that. That's the iPhone 13 in pink all set up. This is the 128GB base model. I think this will be quite a nice step up from the iPhone 7 Plus.